Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how to create a business PayPal account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I'm going to click on open a business account. Once I click on that, it's going to take me to another interface where I'm going to insert my email address. So once I'm done inserting my email address, I'll click on continue, where I'm going to insert my password. After inserting my password, I'll click on continue. So on this page, I need to tell the business about myself. That is giving my first name, I'm giving my telephone number. So I'll simply insert my first name. After that, I insert my second name. So my business type, my business details. So I'm going to once I'm done with that, I will need to insert my business phone number. So once I'm done inserting my telephone number, I'm going to put in my business address. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to choose the currency. So that's it. I'll just leave it there at euro. After doing that, I'm going to click on agree and continue. So once I click on that, it's going to take me to another page where I need to insert my business type. And I need to insert my product or service keyword. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to put my business link. Okay, once I'm done with that, I will insert I'm going to tell PayPal about myself. So put my date of birth, put the month, and I'm going to put the year. So that's it. My nationality, and I'm going to put the same word, the same home address. So I'll simply click on here, or you can see at your home address here if you want, like giving your first address, your second address, your locality. So I'm simply going to click on what, the same business address. So that's it. After that, I click on what, on submit. So this is it. Welcome to your PayPal account. Get paid now. So this is your PayPal account already created. Your business PayPal account already created. So that's it.